guys, it's your girl KurlieKeke and welcome back. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing a review for you guys on the Janet collection Nala Tress Poetry Locks, and this is in the length 18 inches. Just to mention, this here was sent to me by Exodus Beauty. Now Exodus Beauty is an online Afro-Caribbean hair and beauty supply store for Afro hair and beauty products. They provide stylish, trendy and affordable wigs, half wigs, hair products, crochet hair, faux locks by some of the best-selling hair brands such as Outer, Main Concepts, Janet Collection and lots more. So you can be sure to check them out at www.exodus-beauty.com for more information. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Janet Collection Nala Tress Poetry Locks in the length 18 inches. And I'm going to be doing these in a color for you guys. So I'm going to be doing these in OET 1B30 as well as OET 1B27. If you look closely, you'll see that the hair has sort of an ombre effect in terms of the color. It starts off dark and ends off lights at the end. These poetry locks also comes packaged with 12 locks per pack. Before installing the locks, I also wanted to give you a quick view of my braiding pattern, which is going to give me the finished look that you'll see soon. In total, I used 7 packs of hair, 4 to the back, so this is what the back looks like with the 4, and 3 to the front of my hair. So I just wanted to show you all a close-up of what the parts are looking like, and the way I did it, you can do it in both center, side, whatever it is, and the crochet locks actually looks very realistic. It looks like it's individual locks, so I think you should give it a try. As for me, I am in love with locks. Crochet locks to be specific, because it takes way less time to install as compared to doing the manual locks. So this is what it's looking like. The blend of color is absolutely amazing. So I love the contrast that you get with the shade 27 as it blends into the shade 30. Once again, the locks are super lightweight. It's pretty, it looks realistic, so I would say go give it a try. Definitely an A in my book. I am absolutely in love with these locks. So this is how it's looking at the back, just to give you a little view of the back of the hair. So guys, this is the finished look. If you look closer, you can see that I have the 27 to the front, to the front center of my hair, and I have the shade 30 to the rest of my hair. So there's like a really nice contrast between the two colors. I have also added some accessories to the hair. You know I love adding accessories to sort of spice up the hairstyle in a sense. Now the hair can also be worn in a center part, so based on your braiding pattern you'll know how you can actually wear your hairstyle. So this is what the hair looks like. Let me just fix it. If I opt to using the center part, so it looks really pretty as well. You can do it center part, you can hold some up, you can leave some down, you can pull the 27, the shade 27 that you have to the center, you can just pull that back and leave the shade 30 down. So you can hold the hair however you like. So guys, this brings us to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for tuning in and staying till the end. Please do hit that subscription button below the video if you have not yet subscribed to Exodus Beauty's channel. And until next time.